5. And good evening basketball fans. Welcome po sa ating laglagan na ito. Ika nga laglagang portion po ngayon sa ating PSBQ Basketball League. This is now the quarterfinals matchup between Qatar Sublimation Sportswear versus, alam po natin yan, ang Tiptoe Kicks. Teka lang ha, tayo mag-ano muna. Okay. This is your PSBQ presents the quarterfinals. First game for tonight is Tiptoe Kicks. Qatar Sublimation. Ito na. Ball pa Qatar Sublimation. Pops up. Bang! 2 points agad. Mr. Gatil, 2 points. Ulip. Si Pusong Leon. Nice one. Labas mo na kay Ulit. Labas Mungkal. Pops up. Makatunggal. No good. Big Mac. Wala pa rin po si Bautista. Binaba na Bautista ang bola. Bautista. Binaba ang bola. And to Carbonell. To Bautista again. Cas. Bang! Again. Back-to-back field goals by Luigi Gatil. 5-9 already po. Silang Tiptoe Kicks has to score. And now 23 Big Mac. Kapos pa rin. And it's out of bounds. Balik muli po tayo sa boto pamputi. Ang Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Bautista. Binababa ang bola. Bautista. No good. And tap now to Ulip. Ulip to Perez. Contact. Good ball. Nice one by Perez. 2 points. 2 points kay Perez. Paano yung comment dito? Kung may comment. Para malaman natin kung ano, kung di na puputin broadcast eh. Nice one by Patay. Masyadong malalim lang. Nako ni Pusong Leon ang bola. Pusong Leon ang run. Going. Pusong Leon. Pops up. 2 points. Pusong Leon. Talagang Captain Lionheart talaga si Mr. Pusong Leon. Captain Lionheart. AK Pusong Leon. Bautista. Pops up. Ayaw nga kay Padayaw. No, it's Bautista. 2 points. Bautista 2 points. 4-7 is the score already. Si Ulip. Binabanata pong bola. Ulip. Kay Pusong Leon muli po tayo. Pusong Leon. No, it's Ulip for 3. Bang! 3 points. Tablados po tayo sa first deadlock of the ball game po tayo yun. And now, oh my gosh. It's an error po. Balik na po sa blues, black shirts pang bola. Tiptoe Kicks, walang inbound si Ulip to Pusong Leon. Binababa ang bola. Pusong Leon, Big Mac. Against Rote, Big Mac. Nope, it's Ulip. Nope, sumungkal. And Rote before the rebound. Clear the board. Gatil. Nope, it's Bautista for 3. No good. And nako Big Mac ang bola. Big Mac, binato ang bola. Kay Ulip against Gatil. Nando si Rote. Nice deep Gatil. Gatil pops up. Nope, it's Makatunggal. No good. Masyadong malakas ang pasa kay Ulip. Oh, teka lang. Okay, it's black shirts. The represents black shirts, it's black shirts. Black shirts, sabi ng referee. It's black. Ball is black. Rojas, binabanatan ng bola. Ulip, tingin 3. Wag mo na raw. Rojas naman, hindi handa si Makatunggal, now lost the ball again. Nakuha ni Rojas sa bola. Rojas, pinapakita ko sino po ang pinakatigas sa court ito. Rojas, palpal! Nice wipe by Rote. What a block by Rote. The score is still 7-all, 6:29 remaining. Laglagang portion number ang putahan yun between Tiptoe Kicks and alam po natin yan, ang USSW. The winner of this game will go advance to the semis. Yung po nakataya po dito. Padayaw for 2. Nope. Rote. Rote naman. Power move against Makatunggal. Yes, sir. Rote. 2 points. Perez. Kapos. One more time kay Perez. Wala pa. Perez. When the rebound battle. Nakunin pa tayong bola. Padayaw. Zigzagging its way. Nice one by Padayaw. Back-to-back field goals being committed now by QSW. QSW. Ayan na. Captain Lionheart sa pusong Leon. Perez against Rote. Clearing space. Nope. Bautista naka-rebound. Bautista binababang bola. Ayun kay Rote. Rote! 2 points again. And a timeout called. Early timeout called by Tiptoe Kicks. And also, maraming salamat pala kay Mr. Casas. Naka-church na. Nasila na yung wifi. Eh, maraming salamat kay Mr. Casas for gracing this game. Casas, kaway ka naman dyan, boss. Idol. Yan, si Mr. Casas, yan pong pambato po ng ng dati pong liga po ng Inter GCC. At welcome back kay JP, galing bakasyon. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. The third score is 13-7. Lamang po ng 6 ang QSW. Okay, ulit na inbounding again to Mr. Pusong Leon. Kay Captain Lionheart. Binababa ang bola. Pops up kay Ulep. Patos ang bola. 3 points. Ulep kagad. Nice. Pungambay. Ulep. Now, Bautista. Binababa ang bola. Bautista. Nope. Ayaw niya. And Carbonell. Oy! Traveling violation ka doon, boy. Sabi ni referee, traveling ka doon, boy. Okay, that score right is 10-13. Again, Pusong Leon, Captain Lionheart dribbling the ball. Lapus. No, rebound by Padayaw. To Casas again. Casas, binababa ang bola. Casas setting up the pace. Saan ka bumunta ngayon kay Padayaw ang bola. Then to Bautista. Driving the ball. Pops up. Tapos. Rebound by Bautista. Bautista again. 2 points. 2 points Bautista. And Ulep. Masyadong malakas ang tier nun. And to Padayaw. Nope. It's Bautista. Pops up. Casas. 2 points. 17-10 na naman ang score. Ulep. Pusong Leon. Ayun kay Lapus. Pusong Leon. 2 points. 3 minutes 48 remaining. First quarter action. 12-17 naman po ng 5 ang QSW. Gatin. Pops up. Padayaw. Bang! What a long tubig Padayaw. Again, Pusong yung binababa ang bola. 3:27 remaining. Oliver Rojas. Ulep, pops up for 3. Yes, sir! Bautista. Gratil for 3. No. Again, Rojas. Patukagat yung Ulep. Nagantay muna. Kick pass. Brian with pass for 3. No good. Gratil, binababa ang bola. Gratil. Carbonell. 2 points, Carbonell. Brian Roy. Hindi na kinakalang kunin niya. Same ball. Qatar Supplement Sportswear called for a timeout. And also shout out po sa ating mga idol kay OG Green and also si Ronald Adrian Bakatunan Bulacan. Yan, maraming salamat po. Okay, hanap buhay muna tayo. This is your second year of Action PS Big Basketball League. Reflected ito mga sponsors. And welcome now to the quarterfinals. First game for the quarterfinals between Tiptoe Kicks and QSSW. Lamang po ng anim ang QSSW. 15-21 again Barney for the inbound. Ulip again, Ulip 23, wag mo na raw. Lapos against Felipe. Lapos, Barney cut to Big Mac. Big Mac, fadeaway shot, no good. Rebound battle. Patayo, binababang bola. 2 minutes 29 remaining. Carbonel, Sabado, foul! Foul on Lapos for sure. Felipe, big man Felipe will go to the line para sa Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Number 22, Felipe shooting for 2. Felipe shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready. Para kay Felipe, second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Yes, sir. Basket made. 22-15 na 7-point advantage. Courtesy of Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Rojas. Second pick, tawa ng pick. Ulit, tingin, wag mo na raw. Nakuha almost si Sabado ng bola. Rojas, nope, it's makatunggal. At hindi na ano. Again, QSW ang bola po. White shirts again, holding the ball. Okay, Padayaw. To Sabado. Roll pass. Sabado, pinapaba ang bola. Padayaw. Sabado. Rote, power move. Nice swam by Rote. Binato kay Ulep ang bola. Ulep. Lapos. Pusong Leon. For 3. Nope. Clear the boards by Felipe. Patayo again. Siyempre si Casas, the court general, Mr. Casas. Mr. Gatil rather. And to Rote, power move. Again, Rote unstoppable Rote. Rote leaving up his name sa kanyang days po sa Premier League dati. And to Lapos, Nopes Barnoy. Makatunggal, 2 points, Big Mac. Big Mac, 2 points. A 9-point advantage now been posted by Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Gratil. Binababa ang bola. Padayaw. Long 2. Note. Malakas ang pasa. Balik muli po dito ang bola. White, black shirts again on the run. Rojas, binababa bola. Ayun, Mr. Brinoy. Wag mo na raw, sabi niya. Mr. Big Mac. Rojas again. Big Brinoy for 3. Tapos ang bola. 3 points, Brinoy. 26-20. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Nope. Padayaw, long 2. Nope. And that's it. That's it. This is your PS Big Basketball League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. McDonald's Center, MC Cargo. Nandiyan po ang Gianna Basketball Team. Relaxed by Shanti. Winas Apparel, Gianna's Gumetio. Of course, nandiyan po ang Hook Up Apparel, HB Kicks, JPEX TV. And of course, nandiyan now, we have not, of course, di nasa amin isang late. Si Mr. Christopher Dokwe, Sinag Digital Media, and of course, si Iowa Nation. We are now presenting na the laglagang portion of the quarterfinals match between, of course, first game po natin sa quarterfinals match between Tip Top Kicks and Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. And of course, after this po is Janus Gumetio and Tuk Tuk Saigon. But meantime, dito muna tayo maglaro. Magsaya muna po dito sa Tip Top Kicks and Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Sama po natin dito from Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Taste the essence of Thailand, Vietnam and Burmese cuisine. Handog po yan po ng Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Yan po ang kanilang masasarap na pagkain. Maraming salamat po. May donut ang sponsor? Mami na. Kahit ano lang ma'am, kahit ano lang. Hikaw. It's Top Kicks inbounding, idol. Okay, back to ball game.
Warning for delay again, Qatar Sublimation 3.
Ano? JP naman. Okay, back to the ball game. And pops up for 3. Bang! Incident! Ryan Oy, 3 points kagad ang pinanatan, 23-26. Both teams are hungry for the semifinal slot. Sa ligang ito, pops up, malakas. One more time, wala pa rin. Felipe, di na ko ang bola. Para sa kana, Mr. Sam, intercepted by JP. Cristobal, 6 seconds away against pops up, JP, no good. Rebound, Felipe, wala pa rin. Good ball. Felipe. Smothered. Felipe again. Felipe. Nawala bola kay Felipe. Hop. Good ball. Para sa kala, Sam. Sam para sa kala. Binababa ang bola. Mr. Sam. Pops up. Brian again. No good. Bago yan. And now to Mr. JP. Sabado. Pops up. No. Rebound. Kay Umali. Binababa bola. Sa flight court para Umali. Umali. Shake and fake. Hop. Teka lang. Foul sa baba. Antonio called for a foul. Black ball on the inbound. Ramos for the inbound, and also this game is sponsored by Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant, Sinag Digital Media Rating, Mr. Chris Budukwe, and sama si I1 Nation. Ursuha pops up, no rebound pero won by Rote. Rote, binabana, babaan na raw, sabi nila. Rote, binababa ang bola, Rote, Sabado, nice one, Padaya, woy! Traveling violation call. Suleiman, sorry. That's Suleiman. Pira para sa Sampar Sakala, Mr. Sam. And to Umali. Umali, nasa ka boy? Sampar Sakala. Sam, nope. It's Umali for 3. Malakas. Suleiman. Sabado. Pops up and foul and one play. And one play commit. And one play boy Atendido Antonio, number 13.
First foul. First team foul.
Antonio pops up. Wala. Boy! Holding foul. Number 14 called for the holding foul. USSW ball 2020 score po natin. 5. Lamang na 5 ang USW. Bola daw. Suleiman, 2 points. 30-23. Sam, Guarnoy, Ramos, Umali, labas mo na raw. Ramos for 2. Nope. Pushing foul called. Back-to-back fouls committed by Pira. Pira committing back-to-back fouls. 7 minutes 26 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Antonio driving the ball. Oh! Traveling violation naman.
Traveling violation.
Traveling violation called on Antonio.
One player.
Pira. Sam. Varnoy. Getting space. Umali for 3. Nope. Naipit. Gratil. No foul. Nice one by Suliman. Nice one by Suliman. Or Sam para sa kala for 3. Yes, sirree. Gratil. 26-35. Again, a 9-point advantage again by QSW. Sam para sa kala. Nakalusot. Pops up. Nope. Malakas. Suliman naka-rebound. Clear the board. Gratil on the run. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Ramos. Ramos on the rebound. Pinasa na kay Mr. Umali running, creating space. Almost had the ball. Off shooting yan. Meron na. Okay, substitution muna po tayo. Okay, shoutout kay Tayyip Demberote. Shoutout sa mga idol, si Odog Orene, of course si Ronald Adrian Batkulang Bulacan, of course shoutout kay Lawrence Dura naman. And of course sandra po tayo shoutout sa PSBU, the best ang liga. Salamat po from Tok Tok Saigon Restaurant. Balik tayo po sa ating laro po ngayon, 35-27. Pops up. No. Again, Sam Ponderan. Umali. Tinapos ang bola. Again, a 6-point deal again. Albis nandiyan sa loob din. Albis. Mendoza from Rote. Albis. Pops up, Gratil. No. Rebound, Mendoza. Pedro shot. Wala pa rin. Umali. 2 points Umali. And a timeout call. Timeout called na by QSSW. This is the quarterfinals matchup. First game po natin po is QSSW and the Tiptoe Kicks. The winner of this game will advance to the semis, while this one, Janas Gumay versus Tok Tok Saigon. Janas Gumay enjoying a twice-to-beat advantage over Tok Tok Saigon. Meanwhile, enjoy muna po tayo sa Tiptoe versus Qatar Sublimation. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo ngayon. Qatar Sublimation on the inbound. Okay, and maraming salamat po kay Mr. Iowa Nation also for gracing this on the game. And Rote pops up, no good. Nanto, hop. Teka lang, meeting muna. Okay, briefing. I think interception yun. Interference yan. Basket interference yan. Okay. Counted. Basket count. Okay. Counted po yun. Counted. Basket interference eh. Let's say, in other words, goaltending. Yung naman dating term po is called goaltending.
Pasakala.
Sampar Sakala again. Pinababa ang bola. Umali. Ayun! Nice one by Kime. Kime, the shock trooper ng kata ng Tito Kiss. Nagpaparamdam na rin. Gratil, binabantayan. Rote again. Power move hanap ng cutter. Padayaw, lost the ball. And Sampar Sakala, 2 points. Don't look now at 2-point lead advantage. Been enjoyed now by QSW. Padayaw, power move, 2 points. 39-35, still. Sampar Sakala to Umali, pops up. Malakas. Gratil, nagmamadali. Gratil, pinababa ang bola. Gratil. Oy! Offensive foul. Nakita ka na referee. Tinulak mo doon kalaban mo.
Offensive foul, versus number 94,
Luigi Gratil go for the push. Therefore, offensive ang tawag sa kanya. And Mr. Sampar Sakala. Nice swipe by Gratil over Mungkal. High flying Mungkal also red doon. Nasa loob rin po si high flying Mungkal. Sumali. Kime sa ilalim. 2 points. Nakaw na sandali ni Kime. Pasok. Nakaw na sandali. Alvis, 21. Padayaw. Nice tap out and white shirts. Padayaw. Keeping the ball. Sampo na po tayo. Wala pala, mali pala. Oh, cancel. Padayaw. Alvis. Driving strong the ball. Nice huli. Lapos. Kime naman. 2 points Kime. 39-all Kime giving the lead. Giving the tie deadlock para sa Tipto Kicks. Alvis, driving strong. Muntik na. Alvis shooting for 2.
Ball was number 1. Substitution.
Alvis shooting for 2. 39-all.
TV versus the ball. Warning for penalty. Give to kicks.
39-all po tayo. Alvis number 21. First shot.
First shot by Alice.
Wala. Second throw, jumper ready po tayo para kay Alvis. The score is 39-all. This free to shot is brought by McDonald's Guitar and MC Cargo. Second shot. Kapos. Alvis, pick up. Wala rin. Black shirt. Black ball. Alvis, ano muna? Nice shot by Alvis. And Carbonell para pasok pa kay Alvis. And Sampar Sakala, binababa ang bola. Sam, the main man. Lapos, pops up. No, rebound by Mungkal. And tap out. Mungkal for the inbound. Mungkal, nagmamabasan. Lapos. Sampar Sakala, Sam, the main man. Sam pops up. Running shot. 2 points. And first lead now being enjoyed by Tipto Kicks. Courtesy of Sampar Sakala. Pagpisato, Padayaw driving strong. Lob. It's Carbonell sa ilalim. Lalabas muna. Rote, Bautista. Hanggang Sampar Sakala, Bautista. Nope! Every by Mungkal. Nice one by Mari. Time out call. Parang Team Diesel yata ang Tipto Kicks. Masyadong mamali yata kasi premium kaya diesel mulo sila, sabi nila. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Would like to thank my sponsors. Pasensya na po ha. And of course, welcome na for the quarterfinals. First match for the game is Crypto Kicks and QSSW. And also this game is sponsored by Iowa Nation, Visible Dupwe, and Sinag Digital Media. Di ko na yung slide po ng Sinag Media, masensya na po. And of course, Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant, take taste. Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant, tasan ba yun? Pambira yan. Taste the essence of Thailand, Vietnam, and Burmese cuisine. A bold street food classic made straight at Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Foul counted. Rote, binigyan muli ng puntos ang QSW.
Penalty, Crypto Kicks.
Made to delight at Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Kids friendly po kami and vegan options are available. Kim ay naka-rebound. 43-41. Pukpukan po tayo dito. The winner of this game will advance to the semis. Lapos kay Mungkal. Mungkal, pinabantayan. Mungkal, pops up. Hop! Traveling violation called. Mungkal, traveling violation. Again, balik muli po tayo. Gratil. Binababa ang bola. 43-41. Laman ng dalawang QSW. Ang TikTok kicks ng dalawa, sorry. And Padayaw, pops up. Yes, sirree! Tabla po tayo. Tabla tayo. Tabla tayo. Lapos. Nope, bring it out. Umali. Umali. Nice pass, sana. Umali again. Big Mac. Nope. Rebound by Padayaw. Gratil. Binababa ball ni Gratil. Gratil. Rote. Carbonel. Nope. Padayaw. Malakas. And tip tapping pattern. Nakuha ni Rojas. 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 Umali naman. 2 points. Umali. Umali 2 points. 41 seconds remaining. Gratil. Padayaw for 2. Pasok ang bola. 25 seconds remaining. Kick pass kay Umali. Malakas. Padayaw for the win. Quarter. Nice one. Gratil. Gol. Malakas. Carbonel cover. Pagpal. Take 2. Carbonel. Take foul on Big Mac. Big Mac called for a foul. Carbonel take 2 po tayo. Number 8. Carbonel shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in. Lamang. TikTok Kicks will now map the final plays of first half.
This is score 45-46. 1.34.
Okay, yun naman tayo. Okay, sabi rin po rito, taste the essence of Thailand, Vietnam, and Burmese cuisine. A bold street food classic made to delight at Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Kids friendly po kami. At of course, meron po may vegan options available po yan sa Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Yeah, for reservations, just call the number 974-307-988889. Yan. Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant or visit their FB page for details. Huy! Nahuli! Pops up! Teka lang! Stepping on the line.
1 second.
1 second remaining. 1 second to shoot. Okay, that's it. Okay, after 2 quarters naman po ng isa ang QSW. The score is 45-46. Halftime po tayo. Magbabalik po kami po for the second half sa ating first quarterfinals match. Okay, laglagang portion between QSSW versus Tiptoe Kicks. Stakeholder. Okay, halftime po tayo yun. Okay, ano mo tayo? Kumobre yung isang state of walang yan. Kamusta pala sir sa yung inter-province natin? Sa Pampanga doon, Pampanga kayo, di ba? Inter-province, kamusta naman doon?
Okay naman po. Napaglaro na ako 3 game na rin.
Ikaw panalo yata, nagbubot eh.
Sineswerte lang rin.
Sino ang huling nakalaban niyo? Sa Casas?
Ano po ata? Panay Island.
Panay Island pa. Pero sino, aside pa sino yung pinakamalakas na?
Bataan po.
Bataan? Espelas? Espelas. Sige. Okay.
Magaling yun, masarap pa. Magaling na masarap pa.
Espelas. Oy, sabi siyo, may message siyo, magaling daw siya, masarap pa daw. So, welcome. Thank you pala po si Madam Fe po ng DJ ng Gianna Basketball Team po. Yan. Yan pa, ibang isa sa mga stakeholders po natin dito sa ligang ito. Okay, we're just waiting now for the opening whistle for the second half of this basketball game. Tandaan po natin po ito, laglagang portion po tayo. Kung sino man ang manalo po dito, outright second semi-seat, bilok na po nila. Kasama po nila po ang Alforno na nag-aantay na po bilang number 1 sa ligang ito. Okay? Yan po nakataya dyan. Second semi-final seat to be booked, the winner of this game between Tiptoe Kicks and QSW. Wala muna po tayong pre-game interview po kanina dahil both teams po kasi gusto manalo, gusto mag-concentrate muna. May po tayong post-game po tayo mamaya after this game for the winner post-game interview po tayo. Thank you very much. And we're just waiting now for the opening whistle of the third quarter action. Processing company. Okay, sirgantay na po tayo. Nagantay tayo ng look at the capacity crowd right now. We're having, yan na, wala pa yan. Quarterfinals pa na yan. Paano kung finals yan? Baka full house tayo dito. Diba? Back to the ball game.
Maganda oh.
Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Okay, final 20 minutes to decide who will book the second semifinal seat sa PSBQ Basketball League with Alforno. Okay, second half po tayo. Start right now. The score is 45-46. Laman po ang QSW ng isa. Sabado for the inbound. I love you Sabado, pati ng linggo. Sabado for the inbound. Papasa po kay Gratil for sure. Gratil, binababa mo ng bola. Gratil. Rote again. Padayaw. Use a twin tower combination ng dalawa. Rote again against Ulep. Ulep, Rote. Bautista. Bautista ng ipit. Inipit mo na. Same ball. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Padayaw. Padayaw. Sabado. Yun. Nice rebound by Mungkal. Mungkal. Again, pusong yung Captain Lionheart. Uy, Ulep. Almost lost the ball. Ulep. Perez. Baka tunggat to Rojas. Rojas. Agis Katil. Ulep. Ulep. Grabbing strong. Running shot. Nilabas. Mungkal. Save the ball. And to Big Mac. Big Mac. Mungkal. Mungkal. Tap away. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds to shoot. Big Mac. Big Mac. Inbounding. Ulep. Rojas. For 3. Nope. Big Mac. In rebound. Doon sila nagpasok bola. Big Mac. 2 points. Gratil. Gratil again. Pop sa Padayaw. Pasok ang bola. Siso battle. Siso battle in the ball game. Eto na. Rojas sama. Rojas. Op. Si Daisy. Blocking foul call.
Blocking foul against number 94, meeting.
Oh, teka lang, meeting muli. Nag-meeting ang mga referee. Okay, sa blocking foul. Gratil, second personal foul. Number 94, Gratil, second personal foul. Rojas. Pops up. Lapus. Rebound, Padayaw. Padayaw naka-rebound. And Gratil. Nice. Nako, counter steal. Rote. No good. Tapping battle. Hop. Again. Okay, meeting muna ulit ang mga referee. Toolbox talk. Okay, referee says same ball. Same ball, it's same ball. As per the referee. 12 seconds remaining. 12 to shoot. Padayaw. Padayaw inbounding. Rote against Big Mac. Padayaw. Nakalusot. Padayaw. And one play. What a play, be Padayaw. Ouch.
Ball is number 1. Asher, 31.
Jersey number.
23.
Big Mac called for a foul. Bonus free throw coming up para kay Mr. Padayaw, number 11. Padayaw, number 11. Bonus free throw coming up. Padayaw. No. Big Mac for the rebound. Rojas. Rojas driving shot. Rojas. No foul. Hey! Hiyanda si Gratil. Tip-to kicks ball muli po tayo. 50-47. Lamang po ng tatlo ang QSW. Perez. Rojas. Rojas. Nice one. Big makatunggal. 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 Mungkal and Rima may makatunggal. Ulep. Rojas. Rojas. Pops up. Nope. Rebound barrel. Now Gratil. 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 Now Bautista. Wala. Nakuha ni Bungkal. Ulep naman. Ulep. Ulep. Makatunggal. Big Mac. Running shot. Ano ba yan? Nice try. Nice try. Tough break. And Padayaw. Padayaw. Padayaw to Rote. 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 Pumubusisi si Gratil. 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 Rote again against Big Mac. Rote. Gratil. Rote. 2 points Rote. Power move. Perez. 2 points. 52-49. 3-point lead advantage by QSW. And Bautista, nakuha ng pick. Ayaw. Naipit ang konti. Bautista nakakat. Nice one by Bautista. Ayan na. Ulit. Bakit? Mungkal, 2 points. High-flying Mungkal also making his presence felt in the ball game. Si Mr. Mungkal, the high flyer. Gratil. Gratil. Against Ulep. Pop. Down. Who's foul rep? Foul on number 8, Ulep. First personal foul, Ulep. Solomon, number 31. Pasok po na para kay Bautista. Soliman naman. 2 points. Suleiman, 2 points. 56-51. Ulep for 3. Malakas. Gratil. Rote, naipit. Padayaw. Pops up. Kapos. Rebound barrel by Rote. Padayaw na yung mag-isa. Padayaw! Wala pa rin. Mungkal naka-rebound. Dobis Padayaw. To Rote again. Gratil, 10 seconds to shoot. Gratil nakalusot. Gratil. Good ball. Kick pass. Mungkal, may napadali. Mungkal. Rojas. Tik na, dangerous siya. Ulit for 3. No! Ulit. Sabado. Padayaw. 2 points. Kinilwa ka pa. Kinilwa ko pa. And Mungkal. Hop! Traveling violation po. Mungkal. Ouch! Okay, Brian Oy, pasok muna. Big Mac, labas muna. Pahinga mo sa Big Mac din. 51-15 again. Lumobo na naman sa 7 ang kalamangan po ng QSW. 51-58. And Gratil, binababa ang bola. Gratil. Gratil. Pops up. Nope. Hindi handa. Akala niya 3 points. Dianda si Dianda si Soliman. Ule for 3. Tapos. Soliman naka-rebound. Big man Soliman. Soliman bang baggies. 2 points. JP. Saan ang galing yun? Wow! Saan ang galing yun? Amazing.
August number 10. Substitution.
Okay, number 9. Called for a foul. Ulep shooting for 2.
August 2nd, personal foul. 17th foul. Qatar substitution.
Ulep, first shot. Pops up. Pasok. Patok. Second throw, 8-point lead. Second throw, jumper straight, 3 minutes 29 remaining. Second throw, jumper straight, he pops up. Pasok.
Substitution.
Okay, at 6. A 7-point lead. Muli po kalamangan ng QSW. Gratil. Gratil, binababa ang bola. Padayaw. Gratil. Pops up for 3. Bang! Rojas. 2 points Rojas. An 8-point lead advantage still enjoyed by QSW. 2 minutes 55 remaining. Third quarter action going to close. Padayaw. Padayaw against Sam Parasakala. Padayaw. Lako ng pick. No. Padayaw nakalusot. Padayaw nakalusot. Felipe. Foul. Foul called. Felipe shooting for 2. Akot shooting. 2 shots given. Lapos called for the foul. Felipe, 2 shots given. Number 22, Felipe shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, Felipe. Jumper ready po tayo. Felipe, second throw. Jumper ready. Pops up. Oy! Offensive foul. Suliman, tumulak. Pushing foul.
13th foul. Qatar substitution.
Call for the push. Umali, binababa ang bola. Umali, binababa ang bola. Pops up Branoy. Nope. Rebound by Cristobal. JP for the rebound. Casas, binababa ang bola. Gratil, binababa ang bola. Kamu pa kumukha kasi. Okay. Gratil, binababa ang bola. Umali, JP again. JP. Nope. Branoy. Umali. on for sure. Casas yan. Kitang-kita.
Riders number 94.
Again, it's Casas.
Third personal foul.
Gratil, sorry. Gratil.
Substitution. Warning for penalty.
One of the ka doon sa Bilmex Sportswear. And of course, Mr. Umali shooting for 2.
First ball by Ronald Umali.
Pops up. Pasok. Patok. It's patok. Second shot po tayo.
Second ball, Ronald Umali.
Jumpers ready. Both basket made.
57-63.
Again, a 6-point advantage. Being enjoyed still by QSW. Gratil. Gratil. Rote pops up. No good. Rebound by Felipe. Gratil, Gratil, Gratil. Gratil, Gratil. Pops up. Malakas. Pusong Leon. Pinatong bola kay Sam. Para sa kala. Touchdown. Sakot mali. Touchdown. Guarnoy inbounding. 1 minute 29 remaining. Third quarter action. Drawing to a close. Sam para sa kala. Papawi yan. Umali for 3. Nice rebound by Rote. Rote naka-rebound. And to Gratil, binababa ang bola. Gratil ang bola. Gratil. Scoring the shots. 1 minute 10 remaining. JP pops up. Bang! Umali. Palpal. Still completed. Lamang ng 8. JP again. Foul! JP for sure shooting for 2.
Riders number 16. Ronald Umali.
Umali called for a foul. JP shooting for 2. JP Cristobal shooting for 2.
Penalty. Good to kicks.
Pops up.
First ball by JP.
Pasok. Second shot. Oh, ano yun? Okay, Bensigon ko pinalanan ko. Second shot, Cristobal. Pops up. JP, second shot. JP, wala. Hop. Black ball. Early entry. Substitution po tayo. 46 seconds remaining. Pusong yun for the inbound. Okay, Cristobal, pahinga muna para sa fourth quarter. Mendoza pinasok para Cristobal. Okay, Mr. Sam para sa kala. Mr. Sam. Sam para sa kala. Guarnoy for 3. Ayaw. Sam para sa kala. No, it's Pusong Leon. Pusong Leon.
First ball.
Foul called. Felipe called for a foul.
Number 22. Felipe.
And Pusong Leon shooting for 2. Captain Lionheart po.
First personal foul.
Captain Lionheart pops
First
up.
ball by Rojas.
Wala. Second throw. Second throw. Rojas pops up. Basket made.
25 seconds.
66-68.
Is the ball by Bautista.
Bautista, binaba bola. Agad Sam para sa kala. Double teamed. Mendoza. Sam, Bautista. Felipe. Ayun, Mendoza, pops up. No good. Mendoza muli, pops up. 2 points. Umali for 3. Bang! 1 second remaining. Third quarter is drawn to a close. Final 10 minutes coming up sa ating ligang ito. This is your Message Charlie naman si Kat PNC Basketball with ito mga sponsors. McDonald's kita MC Cargo, Janice Balbo Team, Luxury Shanty, Janice Gamitiyong Winners Apparel, HB Kicks, JPEX TV at TikTok Kicks. And of course, nandiyan po ang ito pa the quarterfinals match between ayun na po yan, TikTok Kicks versus Qatar Salvation Sportswear. The winner of this game will go to the semis with already Alforno waiting at the semis.
Papasok sa semis.
Final 10 minutes coming up. Mali for the inbound kay Sam Parasakala. Sam Lapus. Pops up. Foul. Okay, must win free throws. Para kay Umali.
JM Bautista. First rebound, first observation.
Oh, look po.
First round,
Umali, first shot. It's it. Umali, second shot.
second throw by Westman Body.
It's in. Umali, final shot.
Last throw by
Last throw Umali to keep him at play. No! Rote for the rebound. Bautista, binababa ang bola. Padayaw. Sabado. Solomon, ayun, Bautista, pagkal! And one play, binigay. Suleiman, shooting for the bonus free throw. Suleiman, bonus shot. Suleiman, bonus shot. Pops up. Good basket. 7, 8 kalamangan. Sampara sa ngala. Rojas. Watak pass, kick pass. Branoy, no. Binato. Malakas. Para fingers. Ito na naman.
Hindi natin pwede ituloy.
Regularly lang. Ano may statistics pa? Regularly lang. Di ba?
Walking down Rojas. Ikasakala.
Sampar Sakala. Rojas. Rojas. Power move. Foul. Blocking.
That's number 16, JM Bautista. Second personal foul.
Number 16 called for the foul. Blocking foul. Rojas. Kick pass. Pass up to Rojas. Rojas. Intercepted. Good ball. Padayaw. Muntik na. Padayaw. Pops up. No. Rebound. Umali. No. Branoy. Pinatong naman kay Sam Parasakala. Sam Parasakala. Takbo sa bola. Tinapos Sam Parasakala ang play na yun. 7 on 65. 6 for the advantage again. Padayaw. Padayaw. Nope. It's Bautista. Sabado. Padayaw na naman. 2 points Padayaw. 8. Umali. Malakas. Aga pa. Padayaw. 2 points na naman. Advantage again been posted by QSW. PSPQ now presents the quarterfinals. First quarterfinals game is between Tiptoe Kicks and KSSW. The winner of this game will go outright to the semis with Alforno. And of course, second game po tayo is Giannis Kamay versus Tugtog Saigon. Giannis Kamay enjoying a twice in advantage over Tugtog Saigon. Meanwhile, enjoy muna po tayo sa Tiptoe Kicks at QSSW. Back to the ball game! Okay, balik tayo. Hop.
Playing time 7 minutes and 41
7 minutes 45 remaining, 75-65. Number 27, Sampar Sakala. Runway for 3, nope, dinurecho. Big Mac, pow! Big Mac will go to the line. Big Mac,
Ball was number 31, Suleiman.
Suleiman,
Second personal foul.
Big Mac, first shot.
Third team foul.
It's in.
Basket by
Second shot, Big Mac. Oh, technical foul.
Ay,
Ouch.
warning na po kayo kanina.
May bench siguro po kasi kanina, nag-warning na po kanina. Okay, one. Final shot, technical free throw. Bench decorum.
Bench technical by the concentration.
Ulit. Wala talaga.
Was not
Okay, 75-66. Lamang ng 8 ang Team QSW.
Giving ball by the field.
Suleiman. Naipit. Gatil. Naisulit. Padayaw. Pops up. Nope. Grino is screen the ball. Big Mac. Binababa ang bola. Fake pass. Isang para sa kala. Ulit na naman. Ulit for 3. Bang! Ayun na naman sila. Ayun na naman sila. Okay. Lamang ng 6 na naman ang team QSSW. Hinahabol na naman ng Tiptoe Kicks. Gatil. Gatil again. Padayaw. Palpal. And padayaw muli. Suleiman. Cutting. No. Rojas. Tapusong Leon. Kick pass. Ulit. Ulit. Driving show. Nice one. Gratil. Lost the ball. Gratil. Nope. Rebound. Malakas. White ball. White ball. Represents white ball. Hop. Teka lang. Meeting. Nag-meeting ang referee. Meeting. Meeting says referee's decision coming up next. Okay. Held ball situation. White ball. Held ball situation. Jump ball tayo. White ball.
Same ball.
Okay.
14 seconds shot.
14 seconds given again. Gratil. Gratil again. Pops up. No. Rebound, Big Mac. Ulit naman. Ulit. 3-on-1. Ulit. And Gratil. Bang! Kahit anong bato. Bumabawi ka sa QSW talaga. Rojas. Sampar Sakala, 3 points. Pinawi natin Sampar Sakala. Lamang na 5. 5:39 remaining. Gratil. Padayaw, kick pass. Isabado kay Gratil naman. Gratil! 2 points, Gratil. 72-79, laban ng 7. Rojas, binababa ang bola. Sam. Big Mac, mag-isa. 2 points. Time out called on Qatar Sublimation Sports where the score is 79-74. You're now watching the semi-final, the quarterfinals rather, between Qatar Sublimation and Tiptoe Kicks. The winner of this game will go to the semis with Alforno. This win will bag now the second semi-final seat sa ating ligang ito. 74-70 na score po natin. Lamang pa rin po ng 5 ang QSSW or QSW. 5 minutes 9 remaining. Balik tayo sa laro po ngayon. Okay, Sabado. Again, Gratil, binababa ang bola. 74-79. 74-79. And now, Soliman, lagyan naman ng cutter. Sabado. Gratil again. Kumuha ng pick. Gratil. Nakuha. Nakalusot. And a foul call. Nice D by Mr. Ulip. Yung pagkaanino, gumagana naman yun. The Shadow Ulip. Siliman called for a foul. One for penalty QSSW. Siliman third personal foul. Sam Rojas. Ulip. Tunggal, Big Mac. Sam para sa ala. No! Sayang! That will bring the house down. Binababa ang bola. Gratil. Against Ulip. Sabado. Nice! Same ball. Bautista. Nakalusot. No, ayaw. Bautista again. Bautista. Blocking foul. Sampar Sakala called for the foul. Second team foul only by QSW, by Tiptoe Kicks. And Gratil. Naku, nahuli nga. Sampar Sakala. Patayaw. Ulip. Naku, sayang. Patayaw. Double team. Foul. Travel evaluation called. Nakabawi. Magaling. Nakabawi ka agad. 79-74 lang yan. 5 lang daw yan. Sabi nila. Sampar Sakala. Rojas. Driving strong. Kick pass. Brian Uy. No. Gratil. Malakas. Brian umali for the rebound. 3 minutes 23 remaining. Sampar Sakala. Think 3. Wag muna raw. Okay, gala muna. Rojas. Umali. Big Mac. No. Gratil. Bautista, 2 points Bautista. Again, pito na naman. Barnoy. Umali. Rojas. Umali. For 3. Malakas. Two minutes 45 remaining. Bautista against Barnoy. Double team. Gratil against Sampara Sakala. Nako ng pick. Op. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul, jersey number 94.
Again, Gratil called for the offensive foul. Tiptoe kicks now calls for the timeout. Gratil 4 personal foul, 1 for graduate. You're watching the quarterfinals game. Laglagan portion po tayo between Tiptoe Kicks and USSW. After this po is Janus Gametyo versus Tuktuk Saigon. Janus Gametyo enjoy the twice with advantage over Tuktuk Saigon. This is your best bigger basketball league. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. And of course, siyempre, Sinag Digital Media, Chris Budukwe, and of course, nandiyan po si I1 Nation. Balik tayo sa laro. 2 minutes 30 remaining. Laman po ng 7 ang team QSW. Sampara Sakala. Rojas again. Rojas! 2 points. Ba talagang Bete Rojas? Pambanggaan talaga. Bautista. Sampara Sakala. Double team. Hugging. Sampara Sakala called for the foul. Yung tube. Hugging. Bautista. Rote. Bautista pops up. Wala tawag. Again, press 14. Padayaw. Bautista. Rote again. Pops up Rote. Loop. Big Mac. Binato. Para sa kala. Swipe away by Rote. Hindi na swipe. Swatted away by Rote. Swatted away. Swat. Nice D by Rote. Guardo for 3. Look. Rebound pero Rote Padayaw. Gratil nagmamadali. Gratil. Foul.
Running for penalty.
Okay, Tiptoe is one of the Ross number 1. Called for a foul. Si Pusong Leon.
Running in the 27 seconds.
Padayaw, impounding. 81-76. Tapako na po sa 5. Ang laban. Bautista. Rote. Nagmadali. Rote. Palpal! Wala na! Nice D. Lima pa yan. Mahaba pa yan. And Tiptoe Kicks now. Trying again to claw back into the ball game. Ito na po si Mr. Umali. Tingkitri. Wag mo na raw. Sampara Sakala. Rojas. Pedro shot. Wala tawag. Big Mac. Foul! Take 2. Big Mac.
That's number 31.
Suleiman called for a foul. Suleiman 4 personal fouls, 1 for graduate. Penalty situation, QSSW. And Big Mac o si Makatonggal po, number 20 shooting for 2. It's in. Second shot.
Nakalaba.
Second free throw.
Second foul by Tuna Bakatuga.
Second throw. Big Mac. Second free throw. Pops up. It's out. Rebound battle. Big Mac. Umali for three. No. Rojas. Big Mac. And the play. What a play by Tiptoe Kicks. Never say their attitude is in. And Big Mac chance na to trim the lead down to 1 point para sa Tiptoe Kicks. Still on the lead pa rin po ang QSW. Big Mac. Big Mac again. No! Rebound! Nandus Bautista! Gratil! Lost the ball! Dalawa. Timeout called by Katasulan Sportswear. This is your quarterfinals lagdagang portion. First game between Tiptoe Kicks and Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. A 79-81 ang laban. Both teams are now in penalty. Okay, sorry. 41 seconds remaining. Tiptoe Kicks 2 fouls to give. Qatar Sublimation already in the penalty situation. 45 seconds remaining.
45 seconds. Both teams are penalty.
Okay, both teams are penalty rather. Gratil, inbounding.
Shot clock 20 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock.
Shot clock, 20 seconds given. Gratil. Padayaw. Gratil. Sampa na sa kala. Bako ng pek. Bautista. Kapos. Ayun na. Makatunggal. Dito kayo sampa na sa kala. Umaling! Wala! Walang foul! Black ball! Black ball yata. Okay, black ball. Nagkita naman. Nasa live oh. White ball. Overruled.
Wala pa sa sabay.
Pabalik!
May review. Okay, under review po, merong just review. Buti na may nakapag-record. Under review po ngayon yung patagpong iyon.
Wala sa kamay ko. Ayaw ko. Tama dito.
po tayo, nire-review po. Meron tayong meron tayong VAR, Video Assisted Referee. Okay, under review. Under review po tayo, under review po. Nire-review po, nire-review. Antayin-tayin po tayo, nire-review po tayo. 15 seconds remaining sa ating larong ito. The winner of this game will go outright sa semis, joining already Alforno, who bagged its first semi-final seat as number 1 sa ligang ito. Okay, here's the verdict. Here's the verdict. Ang desisyon.
Okay, listen. Deciding the deal.
Black ball instead. Black ball. Buti na lang may nakapag-record. Black ball. Time out now, Tiptoe Kicks. Final play now will be played by Tiptoe Kicks. Okay. Final 15 seconds sa quarterfinals match between Tiptoe Kicks and Qatar Sublimation. Qatar Sublimation has to hang on to go to the semis, or else Tiptoe Kicks will do a miracle, either 3-point carry or send this game to the overtime. We will know in the next 15 seconds of this ball game.
Back to the game. Another time, 15 seconds. This is round
15 seconds remaining. Either 3 points to give them the victory or 2 points to give them the overtime. We'll see. 15 seconds more. Brian Oy for the inbound. Hello. Goodbye. And Rojas. 14 seconds remaining. Rojas. Ulit. 2 points ulit. Tabla. Okay. 8-1 all. Bola po ng Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. For sure, ibibigay lang si Santaki, number 94 na yan, for sure. Gratil, it's up to Gratil now to do what is needed to be done. Or else, we'll go to an overtime. We need 5 more minutes to finish the ball game.
Back to the game.
Hey, may magana oh.
1 second.
May nagko-comment. Okay, 5 seconds remaining. Kinakalang kitang-kita po ito. Padayaw for the inbound. Iwas foul muna tayo. Padayaw. Gratil. Driving strong. Gratil. Overtime tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, we need 5 more minutes to check who will go to the semi sa larong ito. Both teams are evenly matched. Alam po natin nangyari po ngayon. And still, 5 minutes muna po tayo para malaman sino po ang mananalo between Tiptoe Kicks and Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Pero bago lahat, hanap buhay muna po tayo. This game is brought to you by the following sponsors: MC Cargo, McDonald's Qatar, Dr. Vishanti, G.A. Jana, Jana's Kabitiyo, and Winners Apparel. Of course, saan po natin dyan ang Hukap Apparel, HB Kicks, JPX TV, and of course, thank you po Sinag Ginzo Media, Mr. Kinzo Budukwe, at Sikat I1 Nation. 5 minutes overtime match. Tiptoe Kicks versus Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Okay, ulit, pinagpahinga muna. Pangpakbakan na yan. Rojas. Rojas. Sampa na sa kala. Big Mac. Ayun. Big Mac. No. Good pa. Wala pa rin. Again. Gratil. Gratil. Bang. Ito na naman. Gratil na naman. Bumanat. Rojas. Sampa na sa kala. Umali. Big Mac. Wow. Penalty yan. Jersey number 10, Denzo Rotes over third person pa nga, Makatunggal, shooting for 2. 4 minutes 28 remaining. Pops up, Makatunggal. Nope! Oh. Second shot, Big Mac. Second throw, Big Mac. Second free throw, Big Mac. It's it. Okay, isa. One game. 1 point lead. Gratil. Rote again. Brian Hoy. Swiped away. Same ball.
10 seconds to shoot.
Padayaw. JP. Bautista. Tingin 3. Pops up. Kapos. Ayan na. Rojas. Binababa ang bola. Rojas. 2 shots given. Penalty situation. JP. Blocking foul. Rojas. 2 shots given.
Number 0, taking Savon. First personal foul.
It's out. Okay, to tie the ball game again. To tie the ball game. By Rojas. It's it. Okay, basket made. Again, deadlock muli tayo. Hop. Okay, Ulep, pinasok na para kay Umali. Ulep, alam na kung gagawin mo, Ulep. Sabi ni Mr. Duran, yung kanilang playing coach. And Gratil, binababa ang bola. Gratil. JP! No! Sampa na sa kala. Ulep, no. It's Rojas. Rojas for 3. No! 3 minutes 24 remaining. JP injury, buong man yata. Nano. Bautista again. Gratil, Rote. Foul! Rojas. Go for a foul. Rote shooting for 2. First shot, Rote. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready tayo. Rote. Both baskets, no good. Patayaw! Foul! Take 2 again.
Third personal foul. 2 free throw.
Padayaw, 2 shots given. 83 all. Per shot. In. Sweet shot. Second throw, jumpers ready. Both basket made. Rojas. Traveling goal. Bote na lang. Grabbing violation called on Rojas. JP, I think, blooded. Wala sigo yata. Kaya yung bunganga niya na ano. 3 minutes remaining. Mapa pa yan. Sabado, binaba pa ang bola. Sabado. Nakuha. Gratil again. Hop! Bautista. Padayaw. Gratil, pops up. Bang! Again, apat ang alamangan muli. Intercepted almost. Big Mac. Foul.
Foul was number 10.
Jersey number 10, Bote. Big Mac shooting for 2 again. First shot.
First shot by Matula.
Second throw. Jumpers ready. Laman ng 4 ang team QSW. QSSW having now the 4-point advantage. Pops up. Both guys in the base. And Sabado. Ulit. Gratil. Bautista. Padayaw again. Padayaw. Milking the clock. 10 seconds remaining. Close the ball. Gratil again. Rote. White. Black ball. Black ball.
Walking the ball by Ross.
Para sa kalan. Guanoy, tingin train. Para sa kalan for 3. Bang! Isa. Isa lang yan, sabi nila. Bautista, binaba ang bola. Gratil again. Gratil, binababa ang bola. Gratil, tingin 3. Gratil, nagmadali. Gratil, pace. Changing the shot. Rosler. Dang! Change payment tayo. 1897, naman ang dalawa yun ng ang TikTok kicks. TikTok kicks, 2-point lead. Sabado. Bautista. Naipit. Rote, call for a foul again. Called for a foul. Pusong Leon. Captain Lionheart again. Third personal panic kung di Pusong Leon. A minute and 3 remaining sa ating larong ito. Rote needs to this to sink in to tie the ball game. First shot made, it's good. Second shot, jumpers ready. Wala! Rebound battle! Rojas! Ulit, pinababa ang bola. 56 seconds remaining. Rojas. Sam, pumuposisyon. Sam, nako ng pick. Ulit naman. Ulit, nako ng pick. Ulit, pops up. No, eto na on the run. Bautista. Bautista! 2 points Bautista! Okay, 30 seconds remaining. 90-89. What a ball game. What a ball game that we have right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a ball game right now. Both teams, I cannot say anything now. They want to win this pero sa kasumpar, isa lang po talaga dapat po ang manalo. The score is 19-89, 30 seconds remaining. Okay, QSW, no more timeout for sure. 30 seconds remaining. Sam para sa Kala for the inbound. Nope, it's Brian Uy for the inbound.
Back in the ball.
Brian Uy. Brian Uy, Brian Uy. Rojas. Ulit. Lost the ball. Foul. Jersey number 11, Brian Uy. Go for a pop, penalty situation. 11 seconds remaining. Maganda yung bantayan po na huli po noon ng QSW. Dininay niya ng bola kay Ulep kagad. At nahirapan siyang tumira. Bautista shooting for 2. First shot, Bautista.
First goal, Bautista.
It's in. Dalawa. Again, second shot, Bautista.
Second goal, Bautista.
Good basket made. Okay, that's it. Okay, congratulations and welcome to the semis. Team Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Thank you very much po. You watch now the final quarterfinals match between Qatar Sublimation Sportswear and the Tipto Kicks. Congratulations po for Qatar Sublimation Sportswear for winning the game and earning the right to go to the semifinals matchup. We would like to thank the following sponsors before we go. And winner, Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Maraming salamat po and tama po tapos sa ating saying game for today.